Mario!
What's up guys, we are back to my channel at ngayon ay magbabalik tayo sa Roblox game. So nalag natin sa Roblox game ay Eyeless Jack. So bago tayo magsimula sa Eyeless Jack, mag-like, comment, subscribe, and click notification bell para lagi kayong handa sa aking mga panibagong video ngayon. At mag-start na tayo. Let's go! So dito tayo sa sa laro. So, lang. Yung mga dami pala. Wala, ayoko nang may kasama. Gusto ko ako yung mag-solo. Yeah, no idea about what it was. I was just laying down and he was staring at me. Until now, I didn't believe it, but he was the eyeless Jack. Ay, Jack. Jack ay walang mata. Napaangas ng gusto natin yan. Saka pala. Finally, we arrived. I haven't seen this place for 10 years. I said, everything is literally a mess. I wonder where the pin is. I really don't remember, but it must be around here. Yun pala. Lapit na ako ng susi. Tagpas. In front of me, now put your head is box inside. Okay, sige. Yun na pala kailangan matakot. Nandito si Lord para sa akin. Magabayin niya maglaro. Laruan tayo, pero ba patos? Putik na si Arjan, ang luwag. Pwede na kayo maparty-party habang naliligo. Yung mo, sobrang luwag pa naman nito. Diba party natin? Hindi. Dito. Dito. Diba? Diba yung basket? Bagay, kakalipat. Diba pwede pa na? Bawal pa na. Talk to Edwin. Yun lang. Charge natin muna yung mga pintuan. Bago tayo guys. Dito ka na pala eh. Yo. Thanks for your help. I could move them right out of you. Wow, ako nga naman lahat nagbubuhat. Napagay I am here to help after all. Tangos ah. Right. Wanna sit down, we can chat a little. Thanks, but I am too tired after moving those blocks. I think I will drop off. Yeah, of course. Sleep well. Thank you. You're so tired, go to your room. Buti hindi. Madaling araw na. Tell Edwin about the sound you made. No, narinig. Morning. Hope you had a nice race. There's some noises. Probably the space. You must be hungry. When I prepare breakfast, can you scratch the lips outside brother? Alright. So, take the way outside and scratch the lips. What is this book? Sabihin na ako. Lang ako na ano, bilang book. Tell Edwin about it. Dahil, is that I have seen a footprint outside. Thanks a lot. The footprint is not mine. Probably belongs to a raccoon. Raccoon, let's have our meal. Can you put the laundry in the washing machine after dinner if it can smells bad? Okay, Edwin. Sorry for that. Pinong pa lang, no? Pa yung raccoon. Put the laundry in the washing machine. Ooh. One piece, isang pirasong damit ng bato. Hindi na pa tayo, pwede naman hatin eh. Nawala ko ano. Flap, ano flapa? Okay, baka tama ka ha. Dr. Edwin. It sure smell better now. I have one last thing to ask, brother. Go on. The walls are stained. If you can clean them up, I'd be grateful. Sure, I'll handle it. Appreciate it. It's the last thing, best of luck. Then, then, tell Edwin that you're going to sleep. The walls are shining. You are free to do anything now. I guess I will take a nap. I feel exhausted. However you'd like to. Good night, brother. Three 20 na. 3:20 na. Close the window. Was na. Na kaya tingnan. So, kaka tayo. The switch has been blown out. Get a flashlight and turn on the switch. Okay. Tapos yan. Balik. Mamaya may plus likod din, no? Hanip na jump scare. Napapakulan ako sa walang sa oras, ah. Okay. Don't do it again. Morning, brother. What has happened to your face? Huh? What? Quick, look in the mirror. Meron tayong splash sa face. Anong dugo? Violet? Ang dugo natin, violet, ah. Ay, violet tuloy, blue pala. Unhowlated violet. It looks like you have sleepwalking. I can't find any other this way. Thought we have the more serious problem. I don't know how but it seems like you have another victim. What? How can that happen? I don't know what has happened, my condolences. Condolenza. Get some rest and take care of yourself. Take the hospital. Talk to me. How did it go? He told me that I was sleeping, walking. It makes no sense. Whatever, you have to rest. So 15 a.m. No, Eyeless Jack. The plus Eyeless Jack. Hindi yan, tatakbo tayo. Tatakbo tayo, di ba? Yung sabi na ako. Tatakbo tayo. Meron pa sa likod. Tignan siya. Uy, muna niya mo! Good morning. I have both good news and bad news for you. The good news is you only got with some scratches. The bad news is your brother is lost. I am deeply sorry. Leave the hospital. Go to the bedroom and take the bath. Tayo na ay aalis. So, sa pamamaya to. Let's go. Go! What is going on? What am I supposed to do now? Escape the house or get revenge? Kaso may bayad, day 43 oh. Kung mag-revenge tayo, diba? Sige, mag-escape na tayo. Escape the house. Wala tayong magagawa. Seriously, did the car really crash? I guess I will have to follow the path. At may mangyayari na sa atin ngayon. Siya, nakabunod siya! Kasi ko sa natin! Narinig ko sa isang siya. Lapit sa atin. Takbo na tayong tumakbo. Nakapanganga ako sa wala sa oras. Takbo lang! Takbo lang! Kaligtas nga, pero naman. Patayin. Ang galing. Panaginip lang pala. Uy! Kala ko pasok. Kaya kasi yung sound effects kasi nadadala eh. Yun o, nadadala sa ano eh. Pero ang galing ah. Napawas yung pet ko dun ah. Kaya maganda din yung ano, yung laro na to guys. Kaya pa ang dami din naglalaw nito. So guys, ito na po magtatapos ang ating games. So, salamat sa pagsama sa akin sa laro na to. And kung na-enjoy itong laro, mag-like, comment, subscribe, and click notification bell para lagi kayo handa sa aking mga panibagong video. So, mag-leave ang comment na kayo sa sa channel ko. Kung may gusto kayong i-recommend sa akin na laro, lalawin ko yun para sa inyo. So guys, bye-bye at kita-kitsan tayo sa next video. Bye-bye!